New diff is in the car. It's just a replacement diff. We're just trying to see if the diff was bad. My old diff is sitting on the side and there were some chunks in it according to Kyle, but we had a spare diff, we put the diff in. We're just gonna do a base hit just to see what happens, because we need to rule out the diff, because if it does the same thing again, then we know for sure it's the clutch. And unfortunately, it's gonna be all downhill from there. So we're really hoping it is the diff and it does hold. I think we'll do another base pull at 20 pounds and we'll go from there. So I'll catch you back then. So apparently he gave me the thumbs up, and hopefully that'll be it. Are we good? How much did it make?
Same boost, more miles.
Holy, that's like 700.
Like more than 700. No, it made 723.
723 on 20 pounds? That's insane. 723 and 570 torque. So we know that the diff held, which is good. The clutch held, which is good. Now I think we might have to rebuild the old diff that I had. Let's see what happens.
So we know what's going on here now.
It's the diff.
Yes. Yeah,
That was like butter, right? I was like, all right, that sounded great.
Exactly what it's supposed to be.
Okay.
So, yeah, I'll rebuild your diff. I don't know if it's going to be tonight, tomorrow, next week. I don't know yet.
Okay. So leave this car here, or you're going to take this car?
I'm going to leave it right here.
Okay.
I'm going to take your diff home with me and
okay.
rebuild it.
Okay. Okay. It's been quite some time. I don't remember how long it's been. I don't remember how many times we've been at this goddamn dyno. But I'm hoping today's the day. As you can see, it's not the summer anymore. It's not hot out. It's cold out now, so you know how long it's taken. We're getting the car back on the dyno. Let's see what happens. Same exact.
A couple horsepower, yeah. Yep. Yeah, same power with less boost. Yeah, we are gas out. Yep. Okay.
What is it?
Yep, 834, 811.
834.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gassed out. All right. Well, then that is all she wrote, Mr. JR. Until Mr. Zahir decides he wants to buy a big turbo and make that big pow pow. So that's what, yeah, he said just put it on a hub dyno. All right, cool. Thank you, Mr. JR. We'll talk soon. Oh, what do you got? Oh yeah, do your stuff. Maybe change that rev limit again. I know we were. Okay, cool.
What are you revving to?
Wonderful. Great, thank you, sir. What's that?
What do we rev to?
I was only revving that to like 74.
Okay.
Because it was gassing out. I mean,
okay.
your red line is almost 8, but you're not making power. I'd shifted it, 72.
Okay.
Yeah.
I try to shift like 75.
Yeah,
74, 75.
I mean,
in between 7 and 8.
It's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
You're just, at like
it's probably
all in on boost. You're losing power past 7,000. Yeah,
835. That's all she wrote.
Yeah, I was
835 at 33 pounds.
Something like that. We played around with it a bit at the end, and it was not making more power with more boost.
Yeah. So there's your number, 834 at 33 pounds of boost. We didn't make 1,000, but still happy it didn't break. So, yeah, bigger turbo will fix that. Maybe we'll do that in the future. I don't really know, but I'm just glad the car didn't break. Everything went according to plan. And yeah, now we'll take it off the dyno and go home. This car taught me more than I ever expected. It taught me that nothing worth having comes easy, that the setbacks, the frustrations, the moments where you want to walk away are all part of the journey. For 3 years, this build tested me. Late nights, broken parts, plans that didn't work, and moments where I wondered if the dream was even realistic anymore. But cars have a way of mirroring life. You start with a vision, you put in the work, you fail, you learn, and slowly, piece by piece, you build something that reflects who you are and how far you've come. The Supra isn't just metal and horsepower. It's every sacrifice, every lesson, every time I chose to keep going when it would have been easier to stop. Making 835 or 34 horsepower was never just about the number on a screen. It was about proving that if you commit to something and if you show up every day and stay patient, progress is inevitable. Dreams don't happen overnight. They're built over time, through consistency, resilience, and a willingness to learn from failure. And standing here today, after everything this car and this journey has thrown at me, this moment is proof that hard work compounds, that patience pays off, and no matter how long it takes, if you stay hungry, stay focused, and keep pushing forward, you can build something truly special. Thanks for watching.